World champions Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Shericka Jackson head the list of 8 nominees for the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation National Sportswoman of the Year Award. Meanwhile, Commonwealth Games champion Rashid Broadbell is among 3 men nominated for the Sportsman of the Year crown. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce underscored her legendary status, winning the World 100-meter title for a record-extending 5th time in what was a record-breaking 2022 season. Fraser-Pryce, who will turn 36 later this month, is in pursuit of a 5th National Sportswoman of the Year crown. Fellow world champion Shericka Jackson, who became the 2nd fastest woman over 200 meters in history on her way to the title in Oregon, is seeking a first hold on the Sportswoman of the Year honour. Elaine Thompson-Hera's sprint double gold at the Commonwealth Games sees her among the list of nominees as she seeks back-to-back titles. Shanika Ricketts, who also added gold in Birmingham to her World Championships silver, and World Championships silver medalist and national record holder Brittany Anderson are also amongst the nominees. High jumper Lamara Distin, who won Commonwealth gold, along with fellow gold medalist from Birmingham 400-meter hurdler Geneve Russell, are the other track and field nominees. World #1 goal shooter Janelle Fowler, who led the Sunshine Girls to a historic silver medal at the Commonwealth Games, completes the list. But there could have been even more than 8 nominees for the Sportswoman of the Year title, according to Chairman of the Selection Committee, Mike Fennell.
There's a great challenge because you could have more than 8 females, but we had to have a cut-off based on the standards as prescribed in the criteria. The only 3 male nominees, a little disappointing, but they met the standard. And you know, Spencer, quite often people say, but you could put so-and-so in. We're not going to lower our standards. Jamaica has maintained, and this foundation has maintained, very high standards. It's important that we understand the importance of maintaining high standards.
All the nominees for the Sportsman of the Year title are seeking a first hold on the crown. Commonwealth Games champion Rashid Broadbell, who had a career year in 2022, heads the list. Rovman Powell, who led both the Jamaica Scorpions and Talos to titles in regional competitions, and Jaheel Hyde, who took silver at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, are the other nominees for Sportsman of the Year. The award ceremony, which is set for Friday, January 20, 2023, will also have the eyes of the wider Caribbean, according to RJRGleaner Group Sports Foundation Chairman and Group CEO Gary Allen.
There will definitely be live coverage on TVJ and TVJ Sports Network and Hits 92 FM within this group. There will be live coverage on One Spot Media globally, and there will be coverage on Caravision via CMC to at least 20 Caribbean countries and the tri-state in the United States.
A decision is yet to be made on who will be the guest speaker for next January's ceremony.